Closing markets for Tuesday, January 5th. Markets were extremely strong again today, with new highs being made in soybeans and wheat. Corn tested the highs on the December and we're close to the highs on the March. This market continues to rally. Nothing's really changed news-wise, but we continue to see outside money coming in this market. This isn't fund money now. This appears to be outside money coming in that's concerned about inflation, concerned about change in administration, those things, and the dollar here in the U.S., and they're buying something that they feel is different than the stock market because of leeriness in the stock market. So we'll have to see whether it continues. But again, we made new highs in soybeans today, new highs in wheat, and tested the highs in December corn. For the day, corn was up 8 cents. Soybeans were up 33 after being up over 50 at one time, and wheat closed up the day at 12 cents. In other news today, soybean crush was released last night at 191 million bushels for November. The average guess was 192.1 with 196.6 last month, October, which was an all-time record, and last year at 174.6, so 16.4 million above last year. The only concern right now in soybeans is soybean oil stocks, highest level in 8 years, 2.118 billion pounds of soybean oil in stocks. Ethanol usage in the month of November was 431.7 million bushels of corn. That's down from October at 434.2 and well below last year at 456.7. We're currently over 2% below last year, with the USDA projecting that we're going to use over 4% more. So we're going to have to see whether that's going to pick up here over the coming months or whether the fuel thing is going to continue. We did see ethanol margins improve a little today with the crude oil up strong. It was up $2.23 and closed at $49.85. So a better day in crude oil, and that helped on the margins there. Otherwise, Dr. Credanier last night released updated numbers for South America. He has the soybean crop in Brazil down 2 million metric tons at 128. He left his corn number unchanged at 102. And you got to realize USDA is still at 130 and 110. In Argentina, he dropped the soybean crop 1 million metric tons to 46. He dropped the corn crop 1 million metric tons to 45. And USDA, I think, has them at 50 and 45 or 46. We'll have to see what the numbers come out next week in the report on January the 12th. Otherwise, the dollar was weaker. That lended support to the market as well, trading down 370 points, closing at 89.475. Gold, after a $40+ day up yesterday, was down $1.90. Silver was up 287 points, so a little better there. Stocks today higher across the board. We'll see whether after the election in Georgia today, what the stock market reacts tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening.